Now these are meant to be easy to put back together for the people in the factory. I saw a nice video of a tour of the factory as they were making the big boys, and it does seem like a happy place, somewhere where you would like to work. So the fuel filler goes towards the front of the cab. The front of the cab, there's room for the ditchlight piping. So this should just snap into place very easily, and just like that. The frame, there's two little tabs to hold the frame detail on each side. So that is good. And then the trucks, they were a little bit tricky to get out, but to put them back, you use gravity as your friend. Wiggle the flywheels, and it'll just find its way. And boom, that's installed. The same thing from the other one. Use gravity as your friend, and just wiggle the weights, and it will find its place. And then it will just snap in. I'm taking my time because it's no race. Just finds its place. And that's it. I'm gonna test it on the bench. And actually I want to test it on the track, because with the DCC chips it makes a lot of noise, and it's not always obvious if there's a problem. I'm just lining up my contact strips. Everything looks super good. I have a little drawer full of unused DC boards. Yeah, couplers on there, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and a bunch of unused DC boards. A lot of them are Atlas. This one may be, have no clue where that comes from, but it should be able to get me running here. That looks real good. Uh-oh, Houston, we have a problem. There should be pins here to secure the board to the frame. There should be two little pins that look like this. Pins that look like that. They're gone. So I have to figure out something out for that. Now this might still work because it will pick up electricity from here. So that will work. But that is scary. I did not expect that. So this board won't be helping me much. Now how am I going to try that on the track? I have two old pieces of wire that's going to allow me to run the engine on the track temporarily. Alright, let's see how it runs. Runs fantastic, nice and quiet. Let's check the other direction. Same thing. Runs great. Perfect. And now the moment of truth. If this decoder works, then I had a good deal. It was a good deal. So on this side, the pin will contact this strip here, no problem. On the other side, though, you have to push it in to make sure that it gets under. So let's do just that. Let's just push it in, make sure that it gets under, and hope that this contacts the frame. It has to contact the frame from back here. So let's go try it on the track and we'll see where we're at. I may have to do some programming here. So let's do it. Let's just do a select local and 3, see what happens. Nothing. That's kind of normal. So let's do some programming first. Okay, so let's go program track. Program track. Yes, enter. And then I heard it click, so that's good. That's good news. So we'll go 1 standard. Oh, manufacturer 143. That's good to know. And decoder number 000. That is okay. Setup address. Yes. Short address 003 is good. Activate this address. Perfect. Long address. I forgot my cab number. I'm going to go grab that. So long address 526253. It's already in there. So that's perfect. Enter. Activate this address. Yes, I want that. And then these things. Enter. This one we will skip. That also we will skip. So we skip all those for now. And that's it. We're good. So go back to normal. Yes! It's working. At least the part where the prime mover is working. So that I might change the horn. The headlight is working. Awesome. Headlight's working. We'll do reverse. Put the headlight there. Although it's very important that the locomotive moves forward, so let's try that. Oh, it's the wrong prime mover also. Oh, it's moving. It's moving. Perfect. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. So I might do a little bit of speed step programming. But for now, this is really satisfying. Actually, we're going to change the prime mover and the horn there. Sounds like an alco. Which is still kind of neat. Well, this decoder seems to work very nice. Everything seems to work nice. can't complain about that. So what I'm gonna do, I am probably gonna reprogram the prime mover and the horn. This looks a little bit silly like that. This is a MRC decoder, about the same as the Excel Systems decoder that I'm used to. So let's go to program on the main. So I just do a escape program on the main, enter. This is okay. So we'll do CVs now. And the CV that controls the prime mover, I've got my Excel Systems instruction is 123. So let's go 1, 2, 3. Enter. Then enter value. So I've got to try out the different decoders here. Let's try 0, and then enter, and then that's it. We're good. I'm just gonna write escape, and then let's see if I can get this to just start up. There, that sounds way better. I've got to find the horn. Still not great, but this works. The bell. You can also change the bell type. I'm not sure I like this horn. Let's try a couple. So 50, CV50 is the horn types, and there's 22 different horns you can have. Five, 0. Enter the value. Let's try value 0 and see what happens. And that's kind of funny. So I'm going to go, there's 22 different horns. I'm going to go through them and tell you when I'm finished. Well, that is shaping up nicely. God, this is a brand new case. It's hard to open even. It's that new. And I put my snowplow and my horn. I put them in there. The snowplow, it fits nicely enough, but because it's not the original, it needs just a little bit of glue. So I'm gonna glue that in there with some crazy glue. Then you do need the horn. On the CN engine, sometimes they are on the middle of the hood. I should maybe do that. Go on Google and try to see a picture of the original engine to see if the horn was on the hood or if it was on top of the cab. The top of the cab design there, that's just very generic. A lot of the engines had it there, so Kato put it there. All that's left to do is pop the shell back on, and that will be that. And now it's time to run some trains. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly had fun making it for you. See you soon.